Hi guys, welcome to Brains on the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So another politician have been murdered, and if you've been following me recently, that you know that Dr. Bloomfield was murdered. There was another lawyer in Trelawny that was murdered, and also another doctor that was found on Mona campus. That's Judith Rose Spencer. So let's get into this article, and it says, following sharply on the heels of the violent stabbing death of East Portland Member of Parliament Linval Bloomfield at his home in the northeastern parish, another politician figure in the opposition People's National Party (PNP) has been murdered, also at the home, but this time in southeastern parish of St. Thomas. Scores of curious onlookers are now glued to the scene where Madge Morris, a former PNP councillor in St. Thomas, was found murdered at her home on Albion Boulevard in Albion in Yallas area of the parish on Sunday morning. Morris, 67, represented the White Horses division of the Western St. Thomas on the St. Thomas Municipal Corporation. According to Corporate Communications Unit of Jamaica, constabulary force residents heard explosion in the area and called the police. When the police arrived, her body was discovered on her kitchen floor in a pool of blood. That was about 6:30 this morning, said the representative of the CCU. They took her to hospital where she was confirmed dead. The CCU representative further told Loop News reporter Claude Mills, confirming in the process that Morris was found with gunshot wounds. Affectionately known as Madge in her community, Morris was a former and a longtime political activist. Crime scene personnel have been processing the scene as investigation continue into the development, which Loop News will be following closely, and I will be following it closely also to give you guys update. But one thing I realize is that the upper echelon of Jamaica's people are fighting against each other, and I think it's something that we're not privy to, that they're fighting for, and sooner than later we're going to find out. The amount of celebrities that have flown into Jamaica recently, I feel like there's something budging, like there's something itching in Jamaica that lower class people or regular people are not privy to, and they're fighting for it, and blood is being spilled basically. So comment what your thoughts are on the second politician being killed in Jamaica in just about 2 weeks. Like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces. And sorry about my voice again. I'm recuperating from a hoarse throat.